You gonna try it? Look what Jamie's doing. You gonna try it, Bo? You gonna try it? You gonna try it?
Yeah.
Try it, Bo. Try it. Look what Jamie's doing. Try it. You can try it?
You keep me.
Taking pictures of you. Pose. Like a pretty girl with no dirt on her face. You're so pretty. You know that? You're so cute.
No boss turn.
Huh?
No boss turn.
Bo's turn? You gonna do it, Bo? Do it. Do it. Can you do it? You gonna do it? Try it, Bo. Try it.
No.
No? Look at Jamie do it. Jamie can do it.
No.
You don't want to do it? You don't want to do it?
Oh, my can.
My can?
No, my can.
No, my can.
No, my can.
Okay, you're my can.
Wow. You gonna try it?
You want to try it, Bo? I don't think he wants to try it. What do you think? Yeah. I think Bo wants to go down the trail. You want to go down the trail some more?
No.
You want to stay right here?
Whoa.
Oh, watch out. It's getting wobbly. You won't fall on your booty. Oh, look. Bo has your purse. Bo has your purse? You don't care? Bo has it. All right, who's going to fall first? Who's going to fall?
We got this.
Me got this. Ooh. Get your purse. Let's go. Let's get your purse. Let's go. All right, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. I'll see y'all tomorrow, okay? I'll come get you tomorrow. You stay out here tonight by yourselves? Can I come get you tomorrow? About same time? No?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah? You want to stay right here? Sleep right here? You want to sleep right here? Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. See you later. Don't let the bears get you. Bye-bye. Oh, you decided to come with me? You decided to come this way? Smart thinking.